make your score of 10k, I will do sit-ups 10 times in front of you. If your score will hit 10k, only then. Are you ready for this battle?
Guys, double tap go.
double tap की बातें कर रहा है मैं बैठ के. See, everybody's saying no. Yeah, even your people are saying no. Just imagine. They know about no dance, haram. Everybody's saying haram. Astaghfirullah, guys.
Shivanyy, stop your giri.
Raju, tell me something.
Stop.
I will put something in my head.
I don't want that. You said if I go for 10k, you will do the same, yeah?
Yeah, I will do 10 sit-ups. Wallahi, I will do 10 sit-ups. If he will hit 10k, I will do 10 sit-ups.
Shivanyy, do you have a leg?
What?
Do you have a leg?
Leg?
Yeah.
Everybody have leg.
Then why are you afraid to stand up?
Why I will stand? But you have to make your score 10k. Why I will waste my energy? I will stand.
Shivanyy, you have no leg. I don't believe you. You have no leg, Shivanyy.
I'm chicken. Guys, double tap. Guys, he's doing giri. That's it.
तुम गिरी करते हो.
Color on my side. I know I can win.
Guys, malo think it. Guys, intini to kona ke.
Guys, 70.
Wal gargarati speed challenge kan rati kuma.
Guys, 70. Guys, yeah, cute boy, I want to win this match.
Guys, please, well,
guys, 70. Guys, 70. Guys, 70. Guys, 70.
Yomi ko thank you. Urji ko thank you. Go tera, guys.
Ali, thank you so much, Ali. Thank you so much, guys. I want to win this match. Guys, I want to win this match. Guys,
double it. Amma kuma ko danna guys.
Double. Everyone play. Avel, welcome, guys. Double, guys. Let's hit something big, guys. I have to win this match. Anyhow, I have to win this match.
Loco, thank you, guys.
Score is going up. Cute boy. Thank you so much, cute boy. Guys, 26 seconds. Guys, hit something big. Thank you, cute boy. Guys, 20 seconds. Guys, 20 seconds. Thank you, cute boy. Thank you so much. Guys, let's hit. Guys. Tolera, come back, Tolera. I'm gonna unfollow you, Tolera. I'm gonna unfollow you. Guys, 9 seconds.
Guys,
thank you so much, cute boy. Big respect.
Thank you, Tokumak.
Astaghfirullah, no.
Garmamu tola phone atak. Now, I got you. Yomiko, thank you. I got you. You ask for 10k, here is 10k. Go. Stand up.
Guys, play. Guys, I want to win this match. Wallahi, I want to win this match. Anyhow, I want to win this match. Tolera, it's not good. Wallahi, you ditched me. To Okuma, everyone, they ditched me. Wallahi, it's not good.
Shivanyy, Gregory mat karo. Get up.
I'm broken, Rachu. I'm broken.
Get up and do the sit-up.
Murthy, love. Thank you.
Shivanyy, let me
at least win the match then. There is like 2 minutes left.
Let me pee.
Tolera, it's not good, yaar. It's not good. Cute boy. Murthy, thank you. Guys. Share the live, guys. I want to win this match. Anyhow, I want to win this match. Guys, share the live. Everyone share the live. Guys, share the live. Guys, share the live. Share the live. Everyone share the live. Guys, share the live. Otherwise, he will win and I have to do sit-ups. So it's better to share the live. Guys, anyhow, I want to win this match. I can't.
Shivanyy.
क्या है?
Get up in the sit-up करो.
अरे चुप, पहले जीत जाओ उसके बाद करूँगी. You have to win first. You have to win first, yaar. At least win, then say that, no?
Are you thinking to? Huh? Seriously?
Guys, I can win. I know my people. I know very well. If somebody will come and they will snipe, khalas, you are gone.
You think it's that simple?
Yeah, you don't know about my scores in my matches.
Shivanyy, come on, get up. Get up and dance. Come on, Shivanyy.
Dance. My foot, I will do dance. I will do sit-ups, okay? You told me for the sit-ups, I will do that.
No, Shivanyy, go for dance.
Hello, I told you it's against of my culture. Sorry, I can't do that.
Shivanyy.
I told you 1,000 times more than that. I can't do dance. I will do sit-ups. I told you. I will do sit-ups.
मेरे लिए शिवानी तुम उसको
Raju,
प्यार
I can't do. My mom will kill me.
मेरे लिए
She's
शिवानी
on my life. I can't do that.
शिवानी मेरे लिए
Raju, my mom is sitting on my life. My audience will unfollow me. Little bit I have 100 or 200 only. They will unfollow me.
शिवानी सिर्फ मेरे लिए
You can't. Why are you not understanding? It's a big thing.
वीडियो कॉल करूं वीडियो कॉल में तुम गाना डांस करोगे मेरे लिए
तो थप्पड़ दूं कान के नीचे. You think I will dance? I will do sit-ups. I told him I will do sit-ups, but I can't dance. How many sit-ups?
I will never play. तुम आपके साथ में गेम नहीं करूंगा आज के
क्यों? तुमने बोला sit-ups में करो, दिमाग मत खराब कर राजू.
मुझे डांस चाहिए sit-ups नहीं डांस करो.
Raju, why are you not understanding? It's a very big thing in my culture. I can't do dance on live. You have to understand. I'm doing 10 sit-ups, okay? One.
No, this is not sit-up. This is कुछ बिटिक. कुछ बिटिक in English नहीं आता मालिदा.
What I will do? You said sit-ups, I'm doing sit-ups. This is sit-ups. Raju, are you doing masti with me this time in the night? Are you going mad?
तुम गिरी करते हो.
तुम गिरी कर रहे हो, दिमाग खराब कर रहे हो यार. Should I do or what? Tell me. I don't have time.
Sit-up ini sakana miti mo ako.
You sit-ups?
Yeah, this one.
Like up this, and down, up and down,
no,
up and down.
This one. Let me show you. This one.
This is not sit-ups. This is not sit-ups. Sit-up is this. Sit-up is this.
Kana mal jedani.
This is sit-up.
Kana mal jedani. Malif no show what
This is not sit-up even. What are you doing?
Malif no show what doing.
Raju, this is not
sit-up.
Yeah, this is down up, what you are doing right now.
Shivanyy garmamutola.
You are garmamutola now.
Garmamutola. Garmamutola.
Yeah, he's doing masti with me. I don't know he's in a good mood today or what. He's pulling my leg.
Shivanyy garmamutola.
Garmamutola.
Phone aadako.
क्या?
Phone aadako.
Phone aadako.
Garmamutola phone aadako.
Garmamutola phone aadako.
See, kana be Jesus. Okay, do the sita.
Okay, 10 times, right?
You will say garmamutola when you sit.
Garmamutola. Garmamutola.
Say it loud.
Garmamutola. I have neighbors also here, okay? You have to understand that. Garmamutola. Done it.
Turn around, Shivanyy.
I did 10 times.
No, it's not 10 times. You did only 3 times. Turn around.
Hello, 5 times I did, okay?
Turn around.
Hello! I will slap you, okay? Guys, see what the fuck he's saying now.
Shivanyy, turn around.
I will turn you around and I will kick your ass then. Guys, double tap. Everyone double tap. Tolera, welcome back. Tolera, welcome back. Tolera, welcome.
Okay, finish the 5. Garma mutola. Say garma mutola and finish it. Go.
Karma mutola. Karma mutola.
Go make him do the sita. What's wrong with you, Shivanyy?
I tried. Thank you so much, cute boy. Karma mutola. Karma mutola. Karma mutola. Karma mutola. It's done. I did 10 times now.
You don't have much
Aram.
offensive. Just offensive in Tanina Timistay.
Guys, if he was saying something bad, he was saying turn around and do the everything. So I'm not gonna. I will send him. I'm gonna cancel the match because you are saying something bad because everybody's telling me and I can't take this.
Shivanyy.
See, Raj, whatever you are saying, I'm gonna end up this right now if you will say something rubbish. And I will block you right now if you will say something rubbish on live. I'm serious. Now I'm in an angry mode.
I didn't say any rubbish thing, but you can do whatever you want.
So you want to see every girl's body on live while they are dancing? I can't do that. You are saying turn around and do the sit-ups. I can't do that.
I did. My
You
friend.
have to just imagine if your wife is sitting and somebody will say, "Can you please show me? Can you please turn around and do sit-ups? Can you please dance for me?" What you will say? Tell me.
Shivanyy, my friend is asking me for you.
It's not good. Even your friend Maki also used to do hijab, right? She used to do that.
Don't call someone's name.
No,
Stop.
I'm giving the example. You have to respect everyone.
Shivanyy, stop talking nonsense.
You are talking nonsense today, and I'm super angry today on you.
Have a good day, Shivanyy. Bye.
See, he don't know how to respect, and now he's telling me to go away.
Good night, Shivanyy.
Raju, you have to respect me. I always give you respect. Always. Did I ever said you bad?
I respect you, Shivanyy.
But you can't say to me to just dance or whatever it is.
Good night, Shivanyy.
Okay, I'm leaving. Now I'm super angry on you. Wallahi. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Yoo lammaffaa deebitee dhuftu taanaan giligiliidhaanaaf foona haadha ko ani nan tasa qaayee bare akkamitti akkan mucaa kanarraa adda ba'u dhugaa rabbii kaleessaan anfooloo gochuu jedheen sheemiin maaf akka ta'e hin beeku sheemiin na qabe otoo deebitee natti dhufuu baatteeyyuu nagaa haadhaani ani tasa qaayee bare foona haadha ko gimmaashni as dhufee na arrabsa maagashita jedhanii na arrabsitu. Yeroon immoo baasu Shivanyy maaf baaste Shivanyy maaf saapte foon haadha ko ani boqonnaan argadhe deebitee natti dhuftu tana deema akkas jedhaatti ma warra qaxaaronni warra qaxaraa turtan deema akkas jedhaatti ma raachuuni akkas jedheera ingilizenya dhuma guyyaa biraa sin dhibu gaafa qaxaruuf ta'u isaa fiddu ani na dhibdu bar foon haadha ko ingilizenya guyyaa biraa raachuu maal jechaa jirteettu gaafa qaxaruuf ta'u garuu eessa akka ta'e dishkinarii qabdu dishkinariirraa tak gootanii qaxartu ni ta'e deemanii ani dhugaa rabbi kaleessa har'a guyyaa laayiviirra turte laayiv isheerra galee loon ilaalu nama 500 jira hundumtu Oromoodha giftariin top 1 top 2 top 3 Oromoodha. Shivanyy raachuu jedhuni amma hin cinqu deemanii raachuu jedhuni. Ana nasa kaya anaaf boqonnaa dabar foonaa dhagu foon ani anaaf giligilii dabar ani namaas qayyamu waan hin barbaanneef malee amma yoona inni daafii ishee ani tasa qaayee dhuuf bar haartu maal aarti isheen waan fakkii ምናምን jecha soofti miti moo guyyaa bira inni safuu miti isa kanatu safuu ta'e arabaakkishe dhaani beeka akkas taati bar foonaa dhagu mucaan duriyyee dabar. Ani nan beeka baay'isee. Engadda qalallo gooteetu hiriyaan koo tokko dhiira jira. Hiriyaan koo siyaa faqqareera masalee naan jette. maal jechuudhaan jedhanii neen ay geeta hundi geedhaa si afakkari masaleen yeroo godhan si waamaan naan jedhe baala geedha barfoonaa dhagu.
Garuu wanta hanga mucaa namaa qabu jiru addunyaa kanarra yeroo akka jedhu warra hin deenye garuu itti fakkaatu morma deetti beeka jechaadha. So warra hin deenye fillee ergaan qabu kana yeroo arraa kana fakkeenyaaf namni baay'een tiktokii jaallataa miidiyaa jaallataa wanta adda jaallata laayivii waan garaagaraa jechuu danda'a. Garuu namni miidiyaa yookiin immoo aga mucaa namaa qabu hin jiru. Hedduu jaallata tiktokii duraan baay'ee jaalladha. Amma garuu al tokko akkuma darbee darbee nutti hin tanaan jedhu daa'ima argachuutu baay'ee bareeda. Daa'ima guddisuu baay'ee bareeda. Itti nama boonsaa itti bu'aaranii bakka adas nama jira yaani ibsuu hin danda'ani daa'ima.
Nurraa dhiisaa kaamera harkuma isin jala qabdee.
So kanaafiyyuu daa'ima osoo guddisnu isin irraa bannee daa'ima guddisaatii jirra obsinaan guddatee jira. Maal jennare ilma isin yeroo hundumaa du'aa hin gootanii.
Faatee binti Islaam takka amma ka tiktokii kanarra jirantu jira laal ka tiktokii lubbuu fi kana caalii jaalatantu jira. TikTokiin yoo fakkeenya warri miidiyaa kana jaalatu jaariyoo heerumanii